the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP will build a new complex in the new Clark City or NCC National Government Administrative Center in Capas, Tarlac. Constructed on 31 hectares of land, the complex will house structures for currency and security documents production, executive offices, IT, security, training, wellness, and sports activities. The BSP's Research Academy and Museum will also have on-campus facilities. The scope of design services should include the following: master planning, site development, and detailed architectural and engineering design or DAED, including traffic planning, security perimeter fence, underground utilities, manufacturing equipment and machineries, and landscaping.
The project should involve green building elements to facilitate a fair and transparent process for selecting the best architectural and engineering designs for the new complex. The BSP is launching a design competition via public bidding. The quality-based evaluation procedure for the architectural and engineering or A&E design consultancy services will be used in the conduct of the bidding. All public bidding procedures for this design competition shall be in accordance with the provisions of Republic Act No. 9184 or the Government Procurement Reform Act and its 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulations or IRR.
The BSP aims to achieve the broadest participation possible from local and international companies in its search for the winning design.
The bidding process will have two stages. Stage 1, Eligibility Screening and Shortlisting. A request for expressions of interest or EOI shall be posted in the BSP website at www.bsp.gov.ph and its microsite at bsp.gov.ph New BSP Complex, as well as in the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System or PhilJEP's website at www.philjeps.gov.ph. Interested participants shall submit their EOI along with information detailing the following: company information, technical and professional capabilities, relevant experience, and completed projects similar to the proposed new BSP complex at the NCC. The deadline for submission of eligibility documents for shortlisting is on June 29, 2021 at 9:30 a.m. Philippine Standard Time.
Submissions may be sent manually or electronically through a secured email address stated in the bidding documents at New BSP Complex at bsp.gov.ph. The invitation is open to all PhilJEP's registered firms with the following minimum qualifications.
1. Record of previous engagement and quality of performance in similar projects involving architectural and engineering or A&E design consultancy services from year 2010 to present with the following features. A. Mixed-use land development works with a total gross land area of at least 50,000 square meters for any combination of the following: commercial, residential, condominium, industrial, institutional, educational, and/or leisure components, excluding warehouses, hangars, and public markets in the computation of the total gross floor area or TGFA. B. Design project for new commercial, institutional, industrial buildings with a TGFA of at least 20,000 square meters, incorporating sustainable design or green architecture, excluding warehouses, hangars, and public markets in the computation of the TGFA. If the bidder does not have at least one contract containing both A and B requirements, the bidder shall submit two separate contracts, one for A and another for B. If two contracts are submitted in this manner, the same shall be rated as one contract.
In case of joint venture or JV, at least one of the JP partners should have undertaken at least one project with the required years of experience as described. 2. Qualifications of principals and key staff. Details regarding the qualifications of the design team members and support staff shall be provided together with the terms of reference to be issued upon publication of the invitation to submit the EOI. 3. Current workload capacity of the firm. The participating firm shall be rated based on the following: applicable experience at 35%, qualification of principals and key staff at 55%, and current workload capacity at 10%. The top 5 firms shall be shortlisted.
Stage 2. Submission of technical and financial proposals and conceptual design. Shortlisted bidders will be required to submit their technical and financial proposals in their Stage 2 bidding documents. The technical proposal will include an executive report on the design and an audio-video presentation of the design not longer than 15 minutes. The BSP will also invite shortlisted bidders to a consultation meeting for a comprehensive briefing on the project.
The tentative deadline for submission of the conceptual design by shortlisted bidders is on the 16th of August 2021 at 1 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. The shortlisted firm shall present their conceptual design to the Design Committee tentatively on the 26th of August 2021. The Design Committee shall conduct a review and technical evaluation of the final entries. The shortlisted firm shall be rated based on the following: 1. Experience and capability of firm, 10%. 2. Plan of approach and methodology, 70%. And 3. Qualification of personnel, 20%. The firm that will garner the highest percentage score will be declared as the consultant with the highest rated bid. The winning bidder will be announced through the microsite and will be notified by the BSP through a letter.
Let the search for a better, greener, and more resilient BSP design begin!